We actually monitored substations. Nexus is already working with almost like 4 airports right now. We have the solution installed.
MashaAllah.
Privacy concerns, I cannot take the names,
course.
but 4 of the airports, we are monitoring their gates, the passenger gates. We're monitoring their complete HVAC system, which is their central AC systems. We're also monitoring the footfall onto the duty-free area, where exactly which duty-free is working, how's the temperature, how exactly is
Which product is being sold and everything.
and how many products have been sold. There are certain supermarkets right now. We gave a solution stating that a customer walks in, and based on the merchandising which has been done inside the supermarket, we did something as an experiment. We did we asked them to change certain merchandising and see what is the product response. So without installing any of the sensor, with the existing cameras, my AI can actually take the feed from your cameras, build the use case stating that aisle number 7, because you promoted offers, it's sold more than the usual.
Like it's doing the research, continuous research for you.
Everything, and it's
You don't
also
have to make the questionnaire and everything. It's done.